Let's see what is the VBA code to transfer data automatically from one sheet to another sheet based on cell value condition. So here I have two sheets, sheet 1 and sheet 2. On sheet 1 I have some data. Now what I want, if I write any specific keyword in column E, let's say for this example. So once I write transfer keyword, press enter, then I want this specific row to be transferred on sheet 2. So let's get started. Let's see what is the VBA code. So I will write this VBA code on the selection change event on worksheet 1 or on sheet 1. So let me press Alt F11. Once we press Alt F11, we will reach to VBA editor window. On left hand side we can see sheet 1 and sheet 2. Double click on sheet 1, then from first drop down I will select worksheet. By default event is coming as selection change. So here I will write my code. So first I will identify which row is last filled row on sheet 1 based on column A. So code is A equal to, or whatever variable you want to give, worksheet, and data we have that sheet name is sheet 1 dot cells, then rows dot count column A, that is 1 dot and excel up dot row. So this will identify the last filled row, and then I will use one for loop for I equal to 2 to A, and closing statement of for loop which is next. Within for loop I will use one if condition, if worksheets sheet 1 dot self, then I want to write keyword in column E. So for that I comma 5 is for E dot value equal to transfer. Then what I want, then worksheets sheet 1 dot rows and I dot cut. So if you want to only copy and paste, you can use copy as well, but I want to cut this data, so dot cut. Then I want to activate sheet 2 because I want to paste data on sheet 2 dot. Now once I activated sheet 2, then I will identify which row is last filled row so that I can select next available row on sheet 2 worksheets. So here also I will find the last filled row, B equal to worksheets, then sheet 2 dot cells and rows dot count, then column A dot and excel up dot row, then worksheet sheet 2 dot cells and B plus 1, that means last filled row plus 1, so next available row, comma 1 dot select, and then active sheet dot paste. Once I have pasted data, I want to come back to sheet 1 worksheets sheet 1 dot activate. So this is the code I hope will transfer data from sheet 1 to sheet 2 once I write transfer keyword in column E. So let's test it. I'll go to sheet. If I write here, okay, so next without for loop I need to close if condition here. Then I'll go to sheet. Let's say if I want to transfer row number 8 where order ID is 2028, so I will write transfer press enter, we can see that row is transferred. Now let's check on sheet 2. We can see that row is transferred here on sheet 2. But we can see that one blank row is here created. So we can get rid of this blank row also. We can delete this also. For that we can add some more code. So let's see what is that code. For I equal to 2 to A, then next here I will use one if condition. If worksheets sheet 1 dot cells I comma 1 dot value equal to blank, two inverted commas, then what should happen? Rows I dot delete and if. So this code will remove all the blank rows also from sheet 1. Now let's check again. Now if I write transfer keyword here in column E for row number 3 where we have order ID as 20, 22. This time if I hit enter, we can see that it is properly transferred to sheet 2. On sheet 2 we can see that data is getting transferred. So let me show the code again. So this is how we can use VBA programming to automate our task, and we can use this code to transfer row by row data by using cut method. We can transfer range as well by doing some modifications. So I hope this tutorial is helpful. If you have any question around this topic, you can write into comments or you can send me email. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe to my channel for getting notifications for new VBA tutorials. Thank you.